Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Gupta and I was selected in the year 2020. I'm currently studying in SMS Medical College, Jaipur. As a medico, it feels amazing, being at a place that you've always dreamt of being in. And now we know actually during all these times what are the importances of a doctor. So it feels great, someday you're going to be at the same place doing the same thing. It feels nice. My journey from class 12th to medical college was nice. I'm a one-year dropper. I gave NEET with class 12th and my score was 557. And after 1 year drop, I gave NEET again and my score was 666. So it was a nice journey. Throughout the 1 year, I could be more clear with my concepts. I could memorize them better and could realize where I was lacking during the 12th class. I could clear those doubts and was better at performing in second time NEET. So it was not a drawback being a dropper. It was nice. It was beneficial. NEET is not actually tough. It's about the competition since the participants are increasing, and also about time management since you have to attempt 180 questions in 180 minutes. And during the paper you have to be focused. So it's not about being tough, but it's about being focused and attempting the questions, being time, managing the time properly and being confident on yourselves. My basic method of studying during preparation was myself revising all the concepts throughout the day and then discussing them after, whenever I've completed studying, discussing it with my friends or with my teachers, clearing my doubts, especially every day after, whenever I've studied or maybe after 5 p.m, clearing all my doubts and discussing concepts with my friends, because it's not like you can read all the lines and you can be like sure of reading everything. So sometimes your friends asks you questions or helps you memorizing better. So you should discuss and study in groups. It's beneficial. Celsius has helped me becoming a medico basically through their guidance, mentorship, and with the great test series that they have. The test series that are conducted here at Celsius are NCERT based, so they help you memorizing the NCERT concepts better. Also, they have motivation sessions for us because during 12th or being in drop year, you're sometimes demotivated. So that can be a drawback for you. But the faculty here at Celsius does not only teach you concepts but also motivates you throughout the preparation strategy so that you can be better at performing during the test and during the NEET as well. The basic difference between other coaching institutes and Celsius is that Celsius teaches you complete NCERT based concepts. They don't drag so many other concepts into this which are very irrelevant to NEET, but here's NCERT based concepts and teaching that I feel is very beneficial. Also, they have better test series which are complete, and there are better discussions to the test series. So that's beneficial. Also, their motivation sessions that they held regularly in classes and extra special those mentorships. So that's the difference between Celsius and other institutes. Basic thing that I feel everyone should follow to crack NEET is that you should be regular in your classes. Sometimes students take leaves before the test, और 1-2 महीने NEET के 1-2 महीने पहले तो हम बिल्कुल ही कोचिंग आना बंद कर देते हैं, which I think is very wasteful. आपको हमेशा कोचिंग पे आना चाहिए, ट्यूशन्स लेने चाहिए, क्लासेस अटेम्प्ट करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नो जब टीचर आपको पढ़ाते हैं तो आपको याद करने में बहुत ईजिली याद हो जाती है चीज़ें, और स्टूडेंट्स आपके आसपास रहते हैं तो आपको मोटिवेटेड फील होता है पढ़ाई करने के लिए। घर पे रह के आप कई बार डीमोटिवेट हो सकते हैं पढ़ने से, तो यहाँ पे आपको बहुत ही बेटर एनवायरनमेंट भी प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। तो you should be regular at your studies, you should clear your doubts daily, do not keep them pending because it ends up being piling up every time. तो आप अपने डाउट्स रेगुलरली क्लियर करें, क्लासेस में रेगुलर रहें और थरली NCERTs को रीड करें, और फिजिक्स में स्पेशली रोज़ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करें, दैट्स वेरी इसेंशियल। तो बेसिकली जब मैं 11th-12th में फ़िज़िक्स के जब टेस्ट होते थे तो यू नो आई हैड स्कोर्स एज लो एज 60 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 180। फिर जब 12th में नीट दिया था तब मेरे आए थे 105, 110 समथिंग। और उसके बाद जब भी ड्रॉप ईयर के बाद जब ड्रॉप ईयर में जब नीट दिया तो माई स्कोर वॉज 175 आउट ऑफ 180। तो बेसिकली ड्यूरिंग दिस होल 1 year of being a dropper, I improved my physics by practicing questions daily. The practices were time bound, which does not mean कि मैं 1 minute में एक question कर रही हूँ, but it was 50 seconds for one question, you know, so that there could be a more pressure than what will be in NEET. और also basically practicing questions daily, क्लियरिंग द डाउट्स डेली, और अगर उस क्वेश्चन का कुछ और मॉडिफिकेशन हो सकता है, अगर मुझे लगता है कि उस क्वेश्चन का कोई मॉडिफिकेशन हो सकता है तो टीचर्स से वो भी डिस्कस करना। हम लोग कई बार NCERTs को छोड़ देते हैं फिजिक्स में, हम NCERTs पे फोकस नहीं करते, बट द मेन थिंग इज़ NCERT के सॉल्व्ड एग्जाम्पल्स और जो पीछे क्वेश्चंस दिए होते हैं उन्हें भी प्रैक्टिस करना, साथ में NCERT एग्जाम्पलर को भी प्रैक्टिस करना फॉर फिजिक्स, बिकॉज इट हैज़ सम गुड क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो विच आर आस्क्ड इन नीट एज वेल. So that's basically how I improved my physics, practicing daily.